Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Plum Liao Liao, chapter 94. So here it is, let's read the story. Back to Peiyu and Song. Came back to Rensing house. Didn't you just sleep so healthy? Like a smile not smiling. You still want to accompany Ren well? Well, right now, Liao Liao, she was teasing Peiyu. Looking at Peiyu, right now, she was really blushing. Probably she don't want to stay away from Song tonight. That's why she came back, sleep and Rensing house together with Song. Right now, she get this by Song. Here's my key. Right now, she pushed forward to come back in their house because she denied she lost her key, so she went back to see Song. Well, it was not right. She really wanted to stay with Song. Right now, she hugs Song. I want to pretend to be free and easy. As a result, I regretted it as soon as I separated from you. So, I have stayed shamelessly. Right now, Peiyu grabs Song closer to her. Well, probably right now. She really miss Song. She don't want to be separated from Song. She's not used to be. Well, she was right. Right now, Song seems that she was teasing her so much. Song said, "Let me tell you, you are not willing to leave me home alone." Right now, Song, she was blushing. Also, Song said to her, "You're right." Well, these two girls, they're really sweet at each other. Also, they have a good relationship, understanding to each other. Well, the two of them is having a healthy relationship. Song said, "When I was washing off, I found that the flowers were there. I hadn't taken them with me. I think it was just a big fight. In fact, it's not serious as Singmei said." Well, right now, Feiyu would be fine if it's just a quarrel. But right now, it seems not to be. That's why she looks really worried. Feiyu, she is a kind girl. Also treats Song friend as her own best friend. That's why right now, bystander, there's indeed a lot of problems between Rensing and Wafang. Well, right now, their schedule is busy starting tomorrow. Well, they really it is. The person who is calm and self-disciplined, a clear plan for life, was Wafang. Well, she was really different from Rensing. She is always the one who calm and collected. It's like the same attitude as Peiyu. But right now, Rensing, a free happy one, pays more attention to the present and for the future. Originally, it was like the two parallel lines. Well, Feiyu, she was good on analyzing. That's why right now she's trying to explain it. Song, the situation of the two. This love is achieved through a chance of face. Well, she was right. The two of them suddenly meet each other on a coincidence. That's why it's a change of face. Well, they really is. Now, this seems to be strange. Two different worlds combined together. Well, this is the result. More misunderstanding. The two still frightful on themselves. Well, this is not good. Song and Feiyu can analyze the problem so they can help Wafang and Rensing. Only one party makes concession to accommodate the other party. When they reconcile this time, they will still quarrel in the future. Well, this is sad. That's why right now, Peiyu is trying to set to Song the possibility of having a quarrel in the future. Right now, Song said to her, "Hey, you are right." Well, for now, these two girls are really calm and collected. Also want to help Rensing and Wafang to solve the problem. Wow, have you ever annoyed me? That's the phrase I don't really like. Song, right now, you want to tease Peiyu. Looking at Feiyu, she looks really calm. It's too fast for you to draw inference from one example. Well, she was right. Feiyu, she was really smarter. Right now, she can outsmart Song. Well, she always have a good point. Song, I won't bother you, and there's nothing I don't like. Right now, she was thinking, if you really want to say, well, Song, she was thinking how to answer Feiyu right now. Well, she get outsmart again. That the ostrich character, encountering something, the first reaction is to cover your ears and hide deceiving yourself and others. Well, Song, she leaned back, and right now, Feiyu is trying to stamp her finger. Well, they're really cute, even though they have a problems. Right now, they have time to each other, to tease each other, confront each other on everything. That's why they're having a really good relationship. Although, right now, Song, she's trying to act like a baby. Song said to Feiyu, I think you are good at everything and have no shortcomings. My wife is drunk. Well, this is the only thing that's really turned off on Feiyu. She got drunk. It's too risky for Song. Well, at least for now, Feiyu said to her, okay, why are you still enforcing the law and fishing? Well, Song said, to be honest, well, she was true. And right now, Feiyu said to her, well, it's too difficult to find a suitable loving lover, so... Well, she was right. Until now, she always considered Song's feeling that Song might not encounter every problems arising. Right now, Song, two of them. Therefore, we must do well. Well, it's like a promise of the two of them. They need to do well, so they'll stay together forever. Next day, on Reng Xinjia. Sister, good morning. Mimi, right now, looking at Rensing, seems that you really have a hangover. Looking at Song right now, he greeted Rensing with the lively matters. Song said, are you awake? Let's drink some honey water. What a sweet best friend she is. Right now, she prepared a hangover drinks for Rensing to drink on. Ah, it's over. You didn't go back last night. You're so drunk. How can I rest assured? Well, Song, she looks really worried about Rensing. That's why right now, Song said, Ahao has gone to work. Song said, I asked for leave today so I can stay with you. Right now, Rensing, she looks really calm. Well, let's hope we can fix the problem. She and Wafang came back together. Critical moments, sister are still reliable. So early in the morning, you went downstairs to buy honey. Rensing said to her, ah, I found it in your kitchen. Put it in a cupboard. Well, Song, she was really diligent, although everything's prepared and purchased by Wafang. Wafang, she is really concerned about Rensing. Right now, Rensing, she's trying to drink the honey water right now. Well, it really calms her. Help her to stimulate her body today. So, Wafang and her really come back together. They really fix the problem. There's no quarreling in the future. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!